Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 9 divided by 9 is equal to 18 divide 18. Now 18 divided by 18 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So now in this question, here is one division and here is one multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So is equal to 18. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this first fraction 18 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction. 18 upon 9 is equal to 9 upon 18. Multiply 9. Okay. Now 18 divide 18 is equal to 1. So now 1 multiply 9 multiply 9. Now here is one multiplication and here is one multiplication. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So 1 multiply 9 is equal to 9. Multiply 9. Now 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81. Okay. So the correct answer is 81. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.